how to enable language selection in Need for Speed Carbon and Most Wanted. So how to do this? Let's get started. First, what you need to do is go to the main directory of the game, and once you're in the main directory you need to open this scripts folder, and here you need to find this NFS C extra option settings.ini. Just right click on it and open it with Notepad. After opening it with Notepad, you need to search for show language select screen. It would be set to 0, so you need to just remove this and set it to 1. Once you change the value to 1, that means you have successfully enabled the setting. Now just go in your game and check the setting if it is enabled. Same with the Need for Speed Most Wanted. You just need to go to the game directory and go in the scripts folder. There you'll need to find NFS MW extra option settings.ini and make sure you select show language select screen and set it to 1. Once you do this, close this and save the changes and check in your game that it will be enabled. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.